Hi, Tom with Kärcher. Let's take a look at the new battery backpack vacuum, the BV51. This is the Gen 2. It shares a battery platform with our NT22 wet dry vac. But this backpack vac is perfect for public transport, buses and planes, also great for stairwells in gyms and offices. So let's take a look at some of these features. A couple features to this vacuum which are very unique is that the hose comes out of the top and allows us to either operate from the left side or the right side, depending on right or left-handed. The unique feature about this also is that the backpack has a ventilation panel. This mesh is away from the backpack, reducing heat buildup on your back. Attach the waist belt where we have our controls, also our chest strap. So now we have a very comfortable operating position. The control is right here on our hip. We run in eco mode or power mode. On eco mode, we'll have almost 1 hour of runtime, and the charge time is about 1 hour also. So you could be charging up a second set of batteries while you're operating this one. In fact, the NT22 wet dry uses the same battery platform. So if I bought a wet dry vac and a backpack vac, I'd have 2 batteries and I could operate either one almost continuously. Let's take a moment to look at the operation and maintenance of this machine. Firstly, we have a lithium battery system. And the nice thing about this lithium battery is it actually shows you the charge percentage right there on the battery. As mentioned, it takes about an hour to charge, about an hour runtime. Our yellow daily touch point, we can push this button, remove the hose if we wish. We can also release the top lever. We can easily change out our vacuum bag. Also inside, we have a bag filter, and then in here you can easily pull out a motor filter. Additionally, about once a year, we want to replace our exhaust filter.
Kärcher makes a difference.